I just finished recording a video for my YouTube channel and I wanted to show you guys my workflow. So now that I'm done, I'm going to take the SD card out of my Sony a6400. This is the camera that I use to record my videos. And we're going to open it up, take the SD card out. I also used my DJI to record. I already took the SD card out. I'm actually filming this video on the DJI Osmo right now. So I just put in like a different micro SD card in there so I can film this video for you guys. And I took the one out that I filmed this other video with. Oh my goodness, like content creation is just like, you really need to have passion for this for you to get to whatever place you want to get to, honestly, because it's a lot of work. Okay, now I'm going to take my SD card reader and we're going to put this. And the good thing about this is you can actually put more than one. So I can put my regular SD card and I can put the micro SD card that I took out of the DJI. I'm going to put both in and we're just gonna get to transferring videos. Okay, we're gonna put this in here and then it's gonna show up on my screen. Both of them are gonna show up. So I usually transfer my videos to my hard drive. I'm gonna also plug that in so I don't take up space on my MacBook, and I edit from my hard drive too. So yeah, just dump that in there. This is the Samsung T7 Touch, so it has fingerprint, so I have to put that in for me to have access to it. So if I lose it, no one's gonna have access to it, which is really cool. Okay, now I'm gonna open up my hard drive and create a folder. All right, now I'm gonna select, I think from here, these were like just test videos, so I'm gonna select this, all the way down. And then we're gonna copy, go back to the folder that I created, and we're gonna paste. And now it's copying to my hard drive.